So this project is about design of petrol leakage detection in cargo ships using the mq2 sensor. So this is the abstract of the project. So here the block diagram. So the main theme of this concept is to identify the petrol or any fuel leakages in any type of vehicles. So actually this concept is designed for cargo ships. So this project will be used as two different applications. One is to identify the fuel leakage inside the ship, and also if the cargo is like a fuel, crude oil or some other thing, then we can able to detect those leakages also using this unit. This is a standalone unit. It won't interconnect with any other applications. So if you place any, you can remotely take this circuit and place anywhere in the vehicle, so cargo ships. So coming to the block diagram, the main thing is the controller. Actually we used Arduino, and sensors, the mq2 sensor is connected with Arduino. Basically the sensor is a analog output device, so the analog value will be processed using Arduino, and we are going to set some kind of threshold limit. So if the threshold limit exceeds, it will automatically give the alert to the users around the area. So there is LCD display which will display the value of the gas and basic power supply unit. So these are all the basic documentation. So the documentation is around 47 pages, and it's PPT. So abstract, introduction, block diagram, system requirements, modules, so and the basic details about all the components, conclusion, references. So let us see the live demonstration.
So the petrol leakage identifier in cargo ships, let us see how it's work. The same procedure. So here the gas level and any leakage is happen. Gas level means the petrol level in the atmospheric gas. It will be denoted as, it's in percentage, 6%, 7% like that. So now normally no gas leakage is detected. In cargo ships containing the petrochemicals or any kind of LPG equipments, if it has any leakage or any kind of damage happen to the vessels, it will automatically identify and it will warn the captain of the ship. So let us demonstrate it. Before demonstrate, I'll explain you what are the components there. This is the transformer, step down transformer. This is the voltage power supply unit. This is a buzzer and LCD display, and this is the sensor which detects the gas leakage. Anything will be detected using this sensor. This sensor name is mq2 type sensor. This one is an Arduino board. The entire program will be fused in this microcontroller. Let us see how it's work. So I don't have any gasoline, so I'm using this lighter for gas leaking purpose. Okay, immediate whenever so now I'm just leaving the gas. Whenever the gas leakage is detected, you can see the gas leakage level. It's around 60 to 70, 80% like that. Okay, so whenever the gas leakage is detected, show gas leakage detected. It will warn the entire system. So coming to the hardware part, this is step down transformer. It will convert the 220 volt into 12 volt. Then it will be taken to the voltage regulation unit. This unit contains a bridge rectifier which will convert the 12 volt AC into DC. Then the DC supply will be taken to the voltage regulator. This voltage regulator will give power supply to all the components. So this is the Arduino. In Arduino we can give make any type of program to control any type of object. Here we used the gas sensor to integrate with the Arduino, and we work accordingly. This LCD display, this is a buzzer.